Gabby, let's do this. Do you have the car keys?
No, that is so 2022. This is the Kia Telluride 2023. You don't need a key anymore.
What?
Yeah, digital key to touch. We're going to tell you all about it today.
Oh, and the next thing you're going to say is, you got to try TikTok and Instagram.
He's so old.
Hey everybody, my name's Pat Harda. I'm the dealer principal down here at Brantford Kia. And Gabby, what is this?
We are going to teach you guys how to set up digital key to touch. This is a new feature available on select Kia and Hyundai models. We're expecting to see it roll out in a couple more. Right now, we're going to show you it on the 2023 Telluride, though.
So you mean that I can use this and not that?
Yeah, I mean that.
Okay, so we thought it was important to do this video because bluntly, I tried to set this up yesterday when Gabby wasn't here. An hour in, I still didn't have it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you get on a desktop and create your Kia Connect login. Okay, now I've already done that and I've logged out. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to go down and I'm going to pick my car. Okay, so you can see here everything that I can control on my car. Now I'm going to go up to my vehicles. I'm going to select digital key. And I'm going to click send setup email, which I've already sent. And we're going to get an email that looks something like this. Okay, and for some reason, Gabby, it came up that I bought a 23 Nero EV, so obviously Kia's got to figure that out. But in this email, there's a code, and you're going to need that to set up digital key. Okay, let's go to the car. Okay, Gabby, so what we're going to do is we're going to pair my iPhone to this 2023 Kia Telluride. And guys, what you want right now is you want to make sure you've got your phone, you want your Kia Connect app loaded on your iPhone and logged in, and you need the key.
The real key.
All right,
just for
this.
Okay, guys, wait for me.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to power on the car. Okay, now I'm logged into my Kia Connect app, and I'm going to press this button right here to start digital key. Okay, and then it's going to ask me to continue to Apple to Wallet app. Okay, next we got to set up the head unit.
So what you want to do is, let me go back to the home screen. This is what it'll look like if you have the Kia Telluride. You'll slide over to this way, the right, go to setup over here, and then vehicle. And then from your vehicle menus, you'll scroll down until you see digital key, smartphone key, and then my smartphone key.
Okay, next we're going to continue with our phone. And it's asking us to place the iPhone on the reader to add our car. So we're just going to use the inductive charging pad here.
Yep, that is the reader in question.
Okay, and you'll see a little light goes on. That means that it's connected.
It's reading your phone, which just moved. So I might have to fix that. No, I don't know. Let's try. Press save, saving the digital key in the vehicle. And this will take a second. We also have a loading screen being shown on the iPhone. You can see that. It'll take a little bit, but give it some time.
Yeah, the process takes a couple minutes, and then we should be able to add our passcode in, and the key should be active.
So you can see it says my smartphone key has been saved. Press OK, and then you got to pop up on your phone.
Okay, you can see right here. To unlock the car, hold the iPhone near the door handle or side mirror. To start the car, place iPhone on the car's key reader and then press start stop button. Car keys will work automatically without requiring Face ID or your passcode.
Awesome. So we're going to link our smartphone key to our user profile as well too. This is optional depending on if you use your driver profiles or not, and then which key card you want saved to which driver. See? There we go. We're just linking everything now.
Okay. And then you'll notice an Apple Wallet. Now it's funny it says Nero EV because we're not in a Nero EV, but there it is. And so that is now our key. So we're going to demonstrate how this works, how you can lock and unlock and start the car.
Okay. Are you ready, Pat? I'm about to change your life.
Are you going to give me the key from IKEA?
Even better. Can I borrow your phone? So we already have it set up in our Apple Wallet. This is on an iPhone. If you do have a Samsung, it will be a bit different. And then we're going to have it set to our Nero EV, which is actually a Telluride. Then I'm going to hover it right over our door handle. And there she goes. She's unlocked. We can hop in. But Pat, actually, I'll have you hop in.
Okay.
And you're going to start your car with your phone. We'll meet you guys inside.
Okay, everybody. So I've got my digital key, and Mr. Grant has the real key. So the real key is not in the car. So Mark, if you want to jump in the back, we're going to show you exactly what to do.
Okay, now that we got into our car without the key, we're going to start it with using our phone. So Pat has his key set up on his wallet again. We're going to place it into the wireless phone charger, which is down there on the Telluride. Of course, because the vehicle is off, we're not actually going to get the light up that it's on. But once he's got it set up, should be good. There we go. He's going to press the brake and then press and hold our push to start. And the Telluride is on. You can drive away. And the best part is you don't have to leave your phone in your wireless phone charger now. You can actually take it out and the vehicle stays on.
Okay, so we just set up a digital key. We verified that it worked. The only thing I would say is that you got to make sure that you get your phone in the inductive charging pad in the right spot, or else, you know, it takes a little bit of fiddling, wouldn't you say?
I think so too, yeah. Especially if you have a bigger phone, you may have to play around with it a little bit more. But they did actually increase the size of the wireless charger for the Telluride this year, so it shouldn't be an issue anymore for a lot of people. But definitely recommend, make sure you put it in correct. Other than that, it's pretty seamless. It works very well, and we're excited to see more features roll out using the digital key to touch and seeing it in more Kia Hyundai products.
Yeah, and one of the things that we're supposed to be able to do is I'm supposed to be able to send you a digital key to your phone.
That'll be cool.
We did try it, and yeah, it didn't work.
It's a little buggy right now.
It's a little buggy. So we're going to shoot a video on that once
we got to figure it out.
We've got confirmation that it's working, and once we figure out the settings.
And then I can drive Pat's car whenever I want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for new videos. We're going to be doing a Kia Hyundai class as soon as we get those answers, and we're doing tons more walkarounds, lives, Hyundai product, Kia product, everything. Pat, anything to say?
Bye.
Bye. Bye.